In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the TurboTax walkthrough feature. If you're ready to tackle your taxes with a bit more ease, this walkthrough is just what you need. Let's dive in and take it step by step to make sure you're getting the most out of this handy feature. First things first, you'll want to head over to TurboTax Online for the year 2025. You can do this by navigating to their website. Make sure you're accessing the correct year, as TurboTax updates its software annually to reflect the latest tax laws. Once you're on the right page, log into your account using your credentials. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to select the specific taxes or information you want to work with. TurboTax is designed to be user-friendly, so you'll find it easy to navigate through the options available. Whether you're dealing with personal income, deductions, or any other tax-related matter, make sure you choose the right category that fits your needs. This will set the stage for the walkthrough feature to guide you accurately. Once you've selected the area you want to focus on, it's time to engage the walkthrough process. The TurboTax walkthrough feature is like having a virtual tax assistant. It will guide you through the necessary steps, asking questions and prompting you to fill in required information. This interactive element is particularly useful for those who aren't sure about certain tax details or who may need an extra hand in understanding complex sections. It breaks down the process into manageable pieces, ensuring you don't miss critical information or make errors that could affect your returns. As you go through this process, keep in mind that the walkthrough is designed to adapt to the information you provide. It's interactive, so if you ever feel stuck, take your time to read the instructions carefully. TurboTax often provides helpful tips and explanatory notes alongside the questions, making it easier to understand why certain information is needed and how it will affect your overall tax situation. In conclusion, using the TurboTax walkthrough feature is a straightforward way to ensure you're completing your taxes accurately and efficiently. By following the steps we've discussed, you'll be well on your way to mastering your taxes with confidence. Remember, taking your time and using the resources available, like this walkthrough, can make a world of difference in your tax filing experience. Happy filing, and I hope this guide has helped you navigate TurboTax with ease.